Today we are learning Fix You by Coldplay. We can bring this into 4 different guitar parts. The part that's played in the verse, the part that's played in the instrumental where it picks up, the chorus part, and the bridge part. Learn this song even quicker by checking out the link in the description below, where you can follow along with this tutorial, but also get lyrics and chords on top of them and any other cool things covered in this video. So tune up your guitar, put your capo on your 3rd fret, and we're ready to go. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up or a comment in the comment section below. Your feedback is what gives me the motivation to keep making more videos. As well, if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button to get access to all my latest content straight on your YouTube homepage. Chords that we're going to need for this song are C, E minor, A minor, and G. So starting with a verse, this part's really slow and really easy. Our chord progression is C, E minor, A minor, and G. And you're just going to play each chord twice before switching, and you're going to hold them for 2 beats each. So this is really simple. You start on the C and play it twice, and then we'll go through the rest of the chords. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the whole verse. Moving into the chorus, we've got an 8-beat chord progression this time, but you're only playing 3 different chords: F, C, and G. Now you're going to start with the F and hold that for 3 beats. And then you're going to switch to the C for the 4th beat, and then you're going to play G twice for 2 beats each. So what that looks like counting along is this. Starting on the F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty simple and easy. Now moving on to the instrumental part where it gets a lot livelier. All we're going to do here is play even downstrokes. Our chord progression is C, F, C, G. So we're playing 4 times per beat, and you're going to switch on beat 4 and beat 1. So what that means is you're going to start on your C, and you're going to play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back and start again. And you can kind of hear how that's the same kind of rhythm as they're playing in the actual full band version. If you want to make it a little easier for yourself, you don't have to strum them all down. You can alternate up and down. So that would look like a very similar thing. And that's still the same thing as you play the C for 3 beats or 12 times before switching. finally, moving on to the bridge. So this one's a long one, but it's not too complicated. We've got an 8-chord progression, but it's pretty easy to remember, actually. We're starting with the same chord progression we did for the instrumental. The C, F, C, G. And you're going to play that, and then the next 4 chords are almost the same. Just instead of the first C, we're playing A minor. So that's going to be A minor, F, C, G. So the F, C, G are the same. It's just the first chord that changes. Okay, so starting with our C, our strumming pattern is going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Then you switch chords. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's all there is to it. You're going to play that for the C, F, C, G, and then continue straight on to the A minor, F, C, G. So altogether, that's going to be counted out like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 then you just repeat the same thing with A minor, and that's the entire bridge. And with that, we've been through every part. If you can play all of these parts, you can play the entire song. Did you like this video? Well, then you better hit the subscribe button right now so you get access to all my latest content right when I upload it on your YouTube homepage. Once you've done that, click on this video or that video and launch your next guitar adventure.